Hey guys, welcome to Biz Builders, your go-to source for everything business formation and entrepreneurship. Now, I know what you're thinking. You've been putting off starting that LLC because it feels complicated, expensive, or maybe you're just not sure where to even begin. Trust me, I've been there. I used to think LLC formation was a scary legal maze that only lawyers can navigate. But what if I told you that you could have your Massachusetts LLC up and running in less time than it takes to binge watch a few episodes on Netflix? And what if I also told you that Massachusetts, despite its reputation for being complicated, is actually pretty straightforward when it comes to LLC formation? Look, I get it. The whole process seems overwhelming when you're staring at government websites that look like they were designed in 1995. That's exactly why we created this step-by-step guide. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your Massachusetts LLC, why Massachusetts can be a fantastic choice for your business, and I'll show you a way to get the whole thing done without any headaches. Now, before we get into the video, I just want to mention that I am focusing on Massachusetts in this video, but this does work for any state in the US, and the steps will be very similar, so you can still follow along. Oh, and before we jump in, if you want someone to handle all the boring paperwork for you, definitely check out Tailor Brands through our exclusive discount link below. They'll set up your Massachusetts LLC for just the state fees. You'll get special savings when you use our link, and they'll make sure there are no mistakes in the process. It's honestly a pretty sweet deal, but more on that later. So let's talk about why you're probably here in the first place. You want to protect yourself, right? Maybe you're freelancing and worried about getting sued, or you're starting an online business and want to keep your personal stuff separate from business stuff. Or maybe you just want to look more professional when you're pitching clients. Here's the thing about LLCs. They're basically like a protective bubble around your personal assets. So if something goes wrong with your business, your house, your car, your personal bank account, all that stuff stays safe. Pretty cool, right? Now, let me tell you why Massachusetts can be an excellent choice for LLC formation. You're right in the heart of one of the most educated and innovative regions in the country. We're talking about access to world-class universities like Harvard and MIT, a thriving tech scene, incredible biotech industry, and some of the most successful businesses in the world. Location-wise, Massachusetts is perfect. You're close to New York, easily accessible to major markets up and down the East Coast, and you're in a region where people have money to spend on quality products and services. Now let's be honest about the cost. Massachusetts does charge $500 to file your certificate of organization, which is more than some states. But here's the thing, there's no publication requirement like New York, which can save you thousands. And when you factor in the business opportunities and market access you get, it often pays for itself quickly. All right, let me break down exactly how simple this process really is. I'm going to walk you through each step and you'll see it's way more straightforward than you probably thought. So step 1 is picking a name for your LLC. Your name just needs to be unique in Massachusetts and include LLC, limited liability company, or an approved abbreviation. You can check if your name is available on the Massachusetts Secretary of Commonwealth website. Pro tip, have a couple backup names ready because in the busy market like Massachusetts, good names go fast. Step 2 is getting a registered agent. This is someone with a Massachusetts address who can receive legal mail for your LLC. If you live in Massachusetts, you can be your own registered agent, but if you don't live there or you want to keep your personal address private, you'll need to hire someone. Step 3 is filing your certificate of organization with the Massachusetts Secretary of Commonwealth. You fill out the form, pay the $500 filing fee, and you're officially in business. Step 4 is getting your EIN from the IRS. Think of this like a social security number for your business. It's free, it takes about 5 minutes online, and you'll need it for taxes and opening a business bank account. Step 5 is creating an operating agreement. This is basically the rules for how your LLC operates. Even if you're the only member, having this document is crucial for maintaining your legal protection. Step 6 is understanding ongoing requirements. Massachusetts requires an annual report each year and the fee is $500. Now let me walk you through exactly how to use Tailor Brands to get your Massachusetts LLC set up. I'm going to break this down into simple steps that anyone can follow. Okay, so the first step is simple. Just click our exclusive discount link in the description below or the pinned comment. This will take you directly to the Tailor Brands website and automatically apply your savings. Next, once you're on the Tailor Brands website, you'll want to select Massachusetts from the drop-down menu or whatever state you'd like to set your LLC up in. Then you'll click Get Started to begin the formation process. Now you'll enter your desired business name. Their systems will instantly check if it's available in Massachusetts, and if it's taken, they'll show you similar alternatives so you're not stuck. Next up, answer a few quick questions about your business. They'll ask what type of business you're starting and whether you plan to have employees. This helps them customize everything for you, so it's worth filling out. Then choose if you want them to be a registered agent. I recommend saying yes for $199 per year. This keeps your personal address private and ensures you never miss legal documents. After that, decide if you want them to get your EIN. For $99, they'll handle this with the IRS so you don't have to deal with government websites. Next, choose your package. I recommend the Elite package because you get logo creation, website builder, business cards, and tons of other tools that would cost way more separately. Then create your account by entering your name, email, and phone number. Now enter your business information like your address and business purpose. Don't worry, they guide you through exactly what to put, so it's pretty straightforward. Finally, review everything and submit payment. They accept all major credit cards and the checkout is secure. That's it. Once you submit, Tailor Brands handles all the filing with Massachusetts, gets your EIN from the IRS, creates your operating agreement, and sets up your registered agent service. You can start using their logo maker and website builder right away while they process your LLC formation. So Massachusetts LLCs are perfect for certain types of businesses. If you're in tech or software development, Massachusetts gives you access to incredible talent and investor networks. If you're in biotech, healthcare, or life sciences, well, Massachusetts is basically the center of the universe for these industries. For consulting or professional services, Massachusetts clients often expect a certain level of sophistication, and having a proper LLC structure shows you're serious. And for creative businesses like marketing agencies or design firms, Massachusetts has a vibrant creative economy with clients who value quality work. Now, if you want to handle everything yourself, you can totally do that. The Massachusetts website has improved over the years, and the process is more streamlined than it used to be. But if you want someone to handle the details and make sure everything's done right, Tailor Brands is honestly a great option. They understand Massachusetts requirements, provide registered agent services if needed, and include business building tools that help you look professional from day one. Look, the most important thing is just getting started. I've seen too many people in Massachusetts put off forming their LLC because they think it's too expensive or complicated. And then when they finally do it, they realize it wasn't that bad and wish they had done it sooner. So here's my challenge for you. If you've been thinking about starting an LLC and you want to do business in Massachusetts or take advantage of what Massachusetts offers, stop overthinking it. Yeah, it costs more than some states, but you're getting access to markets and opportunities that can more than make up for that investment. If you found this helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up so other entrepreneurs can find this info too. And subscribe to Biz Builders for more practical business tips that actually make sense. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about Massachusetts LLCs or business formation in general. I read every single comment and I'm always here to help. And remember, if you want to get your Massachusetts LLC started with professional help and exclusive savings, use our special discount link for Tailor Brands in the description or pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and here's to building your business the smart way with proper legal protection from day one. See you in the next video.